In this question, the principal talks about the concept of negligence, the tort of negligence. As per the facts, Uday, he was driving on the road when he suddenly suffered an asthmatic attack. So he parks his car on the side and starts looking for his inhaler. He was not able to find it, so he decided to drive ahead and purchase one from the next medical store. After some time, while he was driving, he lost control over the car and bumps into another car. The person in the other car sued him for negligence. Now, out of the four options, option D says that Uday is not liable because he did not expect he will lose control over the car. So this is not the correct answer because it's not relevant to the entire principal fact scenario. Option C says that Uday is liable for negligence because he is an asthma patient and should have been more careful. More of an ideal answer, he should have been more careful, but that's not the reason for his negligence. Option B says that Uday is not liable because he had to drive out of necessity to get an inhaler from the medical store. Now over here, we do not know whether necessity plays as a defense against negligence or not. So therefore, B would also not be the answer. Therefore, the correct answer would be option A, that Uday is liable for negligence as he bumped his car into another car.